Magnesium, the secret weapon against insulin resistance? Welcome. In this video, we'll be taking a concise look at a scientific paper that found that magnesium supplementation can improve insulin sensitivity and decrease insulin resistance in diabetic rats. Let's take a look at the connection between magnesium supplementation and diabetes. Let's talk about magnesium and its role in the human body. Magnesium is a mineral found abundantly in our bodies. It works as a part of enzymes and helps in various important processes. It's essential for making DNA, RNA, and an antioxidant called glutathione. Magnesium also contributes to bone development and is involved in over 300 enzyme systems that control many biochemical reactions in our bodies. These reactions include protein synthesis, blood sugar control, blood pressure regulation, and functions of muscles and nerves. Magnesium is also needed for energy production and other metabolic processes. Diabetes mellitus, which is a group of metabolic diseases, causes high blood sugar levels due to problems with insulin secretion or action. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form and involves insulin resistance, where the body doesn't respond well to insulin. Studies have shown that magnesium plays a role in glucose metabolism and insulin function. Low magnesium levels have been linked to diabetes, and various factors like diet, medications, and complications of diabetes can cause magnesium deficiency. In this study, the researchers aimed to investigate the effects of magnesium supplementation on a rat model of type 2 diabetes. To create the diabetes model, the rats were fed a high-fat diet, which is known to contribute to insulin resistance, and they were also treated with a low dose of streptozotocin, STZ, a chemical that damages insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. The researchers then added magnesium supplements to the rats' diet to see how it would impact their diabetes-related parameters. They used various tests and measurements to evaluate the effects of magnesium supplementation on insulin and diabetes-related factors. The results of the study were promising. The rats that received magnesium supplements showed improved insulin sensitivity, which means their cells responded better to insulin, resulting in better blood sugar control. On the other hand, they also had decreased insulin resistance, meaning their bodies were better able to use insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. The improvement in insulin sensitivity and insulin resistance was attributed to the increase in insulin receptor expression and affinity. The insulin receptor is a protein that binds to insulin, allowing it to exert its effects on cells. Magnesium supplementation seemed to enhance the function of these receptors, making insulin more effective in the body. Additionally, the researchers found that magnesium supplementation had a protective effect on the rat's pancreatic cells. The pancreas is responsible for producing insulin, and in diabetes, these cells can become damaged. Magnesium appeared to protect against this damage, which is crucial for maintaining insulin production and regulation. Furthermore, magnesium supplements also helped inhibit lipid peroxidation in the diabetic rats. Lipid peroxidation is a process where harmful substances are generated, leading to cell damage. By reducing lipid peroxidation, magnesium may provide additional protection to the cells in the presence of diabetes. Interestingly, the study also explored the role of a gene called V-arrestin-2, which is involved in insulin signaling. They found that V-arrestin-2 gene expression was suppressed in diabetes. However, magnesium supplementation seemed to influence the expression and methylation, a process that can regulate gene activity of this gene, possibly contributing to the positive effects observed in insulin sensitivity. In conclusion, this study demonstrated that magnesium supplementation had several beneficial effects on the rat model of type 2 diabetes. It improved insulin sensitivity and reduced insulin resistance, likely through increased insulin receptor activity and improved insulin signaling. Magnesium also provided protection to the pancreatic cells and helped combat harmful processes like lipid peroxidation. The findings suggest that magnesium supplementation may have potential therapeutic benefits for managing insulin resistance and improving diabetes outcomes. However, further research is needed to validate these findings and understand the full implications for human diabetes management. Liked and learned, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative and exciting content on diabetes and insulin resistance. Check below the video for references and stay tuned for upcoming updates.